What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen how to cook. And today we are making garlic butter honey chicken right on your stovetop. So be sure you subscribe and turn on those post notification settings to be reminded every time I upload a brand new video. You ready for cook? Then let's cook now. Hey goodies, let's cook. Now I have my chicken drumsticks right here that has been washed nice and clean using salt, lemon juice and vinegar. Now to season my chicken, I did add some salt and pepper just to get started, and then I'm going to go in and add some grounded ginger powder, and I'm also going to add some garlic powder to the mix as well. Then I'm going to go in with some onion powder, kick it up a notch. Then after that, your girl went in with some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm using the Grace brand here, but you could always use whichever brand of seasoning that you like. Now to that all-purpose season, I'm going to add some chicken seasoning because we are cooking chicken, right? Then to color it up, I'm going to add some paprika to the mix, and I'm also going in with some soy sauce, and of course you could substitute that for just a tad bit of browning, not too much. That's all you need to season right here. Go ahead and give it a good mix. I'm going to let this sit and marinate for about 30 minutes. However, if you have time on your hands, you could let it sit overnight. You could even let it sit for an hour or so, but I'm going to go in with 30 minutes and 30 minutes only for my chicken, right? Alright, now, so moving right along in a pot. Better go and add some cooking oil, and I'm using vegetable oil. My fire is on medium heat. Go in and add your chicken. Now, good, you could also use any part of the chicken that you so please. I'm using chicken drumsticks because that's what you requested, and the girl is always here to do what? To deliver. So we're going with our chicken drumsticks for this recipe today. Now you are going to let this fry for about 45 minutes on medium heat on both sides. Go ahead and turn it over. You're going to see it have a really nice pretty color, not burnt up golden brown, beautiful golden brown. All right, turn it over nicely and allow it to do the same thing on that side that you did on the other side. 5 minutes tops. Total cooking time right here 10 minutes because you are looking for color here. Okay, let me make sure so we get the part right. Now if you're still here watching me cooking, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel and turn on those post notifications that you will never miss another one of my uploads. Now moving right along, after that full 10 minutes total of cooking your drumsticks, you are going to go ahead and remove them from the heat. As you can see, it is a nice golden brown color, perfect, just the way that I want it to be. So just go ahead and set it aside. Okay, now if you're still here watching me cooking, be sure that you are subscribed to my second channel, Life is Juliana. The link for that channel will be listed down below, and for everything that I use for this recipe, I will also list everything in the description, so go ahead and check it out. Okay, now that is what my chicken looks like, and we are ready to move on to our next step. Now in that pot, I went ahead and removed some of the oil, well, all of the oil rather. To that pot with that good stuff in the bottom, I go ahead and added 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter just to release the flavors from the pots that's clinging there. Okay, so just go ahead and just lift that flavor up because we need it to complete our recipe. All right, then just go ahead and do that, and your fire is still on a medium heat only. Now to that butter, I went ahead and added some garlic, about 2 tablespoons of that. Go ahead and give it a good mix in, blend it up, lift the flavors from the bottom of the pot that is sticking. Honey, we are talking flavor here. Flavor all up in this goodness, all right? Okay, so now I'm going to go in and add some fresh ginger, and you could also add the powdered ginger to it as well. Give it a good mix again. Alright, let's give it a good mix. Let's combine everything together as you go along. Now to that we are going in and we're going to add our maple syrup. This is what I'm using for this recipe. However, you could add honey if you'd like, okay? But we are going in with the maple syrup. To that we're going to add some orange juice. And to flavor it, because you know your girl no cook without vinegar, I did add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and we are definitely going to add some lemon juice to it. Now to that, I'm going in with some ketchup. The ketchup is going to bind everything together and give it a really good flavor with the lemon, right? Now with your favorite season you have in your kitchen, go ahead and add that. I did add a little bit of dried pepper flakes to it, just to give it a little tongue of, you know, yeah, little add this, not too much. And then I went ahead and added some dried rosemary, a little bit more of the paprika. All right, and then I went back in and added a little bit more of that chicken seasoning to it, because yes, we are cooking chicken. Add it in there and give it all a good spin. All right, now you're going to allow this to simmer for about 5 minutes. You want that everything that you put in that pot, you want it to start to bind and hold and come together. After about 5 minutes, you're going to go back in and you're going to add your chicken pieces to that good sauce, but just like I'm doing here. Go ahead and add it all up in there in no particular order, of course. Now what you want to do next is go ahead and get your juices all over your chicken pieces, whether it's chicken breast, chicken wings, whether it's chicken thighs, whatever part of the chicken that you desire. You go ahead and you just make sure that you get all your juices covered on top of every single piece of chicken that you are cooking. Now do not put your fire on that high heat, and you definitely don't want it on low heat either. It is going to remain at a medium heat throughout the entire cooking process. Now do know that this process takes about 20 to 25 minutes to be completed. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. This is a fast, easy, quick recipe that you could have on your table in no time. Now after about, I'd say that 15 minutes of cooking, right? You're gonna go ahead and turn your chicken pieces on the other side, because you don't want it to be unbalanced. You want everything to be evenly distributed throughout every piece of your chicken pieces. Just go ahead and turn it over again with your fire still on that medium heat. Okay, you can see what is happening here with your chicken. The gravy, that sauce rather, has come together nicely, really nice. Just keep dabbing and drizzling that sauce all over your chicken. Now goodie, do not leave your chicken on the fire, because that good sauce you have going in that pot is going to stick. So it's critical for you to continue to mix in and continue to layer your chicken, moving it around as you go along, so that way you will have the perfect juicy chicken on your table. Fast, easy, and simple. Every time, straight. Now goodies, if you are watching your girl cooking here this far, be sure to give your girl a thumbs up on the video, alright? As well as let me know down below what you would have this particular chicken with. Whether you want to have it with rice or rice and peas or spaghetti, let me know down below, alright? Because this gravy here is perfect for just about anything that you're going to cook this with in your kitchen. It's going to be delicious. All right, delicious. Now all I did here to complete it was add just a little bit more parsley to the chicken, and that was it. It was done. I was done This is one of them recipes that you just have to try. Not only is it fast, easy, and simple, but it's filled with flavor. The thing is massive. So be sure that you're spreading the love with friends and family. Tell them what's going on over here. Bring them, come and send them, come and waiting. After you done do that, tell me what you want to see me cooking in my kitchen next. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy!